Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Shafiq from British Institute. Hope you will be pretty good. Today in this video, I'll explain difference between see, look and watch along with usage. Before moving on to the topic, I ask you to like, share and subscribe my channel if you like this video. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that my upcoming videos can easily reach you. So let's get started. Pay attention to this story, please. Asma has a busy weekend coming up. Tonight, she is seeing a mysterious new man for the first time. She wants to good look, so she puts in her contact lenses. She can't see without them and looks at herself in the mirror. Tomorrow, she is looking after her son. They are going to watch a cricket match together. See. See refers to the sense of sight. Example, Asma can't see without her contact lenses. If you open your eyes, you see. That means we see automatically even if we are not paying attention or if we don't want to see. The act of seeing is passive. For example, when she looks out the window, she sees her neighbor washing. Use can plus see to express that we see something in the morning of speaking. We don't use the ing form present progressive to talk about the senses. For example, Asma can see some new wrinkles around her eyes. Not Asma is seeing some new wrinkles. Use see in sentences with whether and if. Here see has the meaning of check or find out. For example, Asma is trying to see whether her expensive eye cream works. Seeing differing meanings. Using see in the progressive form changes its meaning. For example, I am searching a new job means I am looking for a new job. I am seeing Ahmed later. I am meeting Ahmed later. Look. Look, direct your eyes in a particular direction to concentrate on or to pay attention to something that we can see. Unlike the verb see, the verb look is active. We can choose to look at things. For example, Asma looks in the mirror every morning. Looking is a deliberate action. Use the preposition at when we name the object of our attention. Look plus at plus object. For example, she looks at herself in the mirror. I enjoy looking at the flowers in my garden. Use look plus adjective to talk about someone's appearance. For example, Asma wants to look good. Look after and look for are phrasal verbs. They have different meanings. There are quite a few phrasal verbs with look. For example, Asma looks after her son on Sundays. Look after mean take care of. His neighbors are looking for their dog in the garden. Look for mean search for. Watch. Look at somebody or something for a longer period of time. The object of our attention is usually in motion in some way. For example, sometimes Asma watches her neighbors doing the washing. We watch things because they develop, change, move, or in progress. For example, this weekend she is taking her son to watch cricket match. We watch TV, but we can see and watch TV programs and films. For example, Saif watches TV with his friend, but tonight they are going to the cinema to see or watch a film. Note please, two of these verbs can also act as nouns, but today I have talked about the three words as verbs. So let me tell you a little more about each verb. Watch. I will start with the verb watch. At the bank, a friend may say, I am going outside for a minute. Would you please watch my mobile? The friend wants you to pay attention to the mobile for a period of time. Films, performances, games, and people all are things you can watch. In this case, the verb has an object. The mobile, you can also use the verb without an object, as in this conversation. Do you want to play football with us? No, I'll just watch. Look. The verb look is different from watch. When you look at someone or something, you simply direct your eyes at that person or thing. It can be for a short time and it might not involve much thought. One other difference between the words watch and look is that look is often followed by an adverb or preposition. For example, when you walk, don't look down. I looked at the bill before I paid it. See. You do not need to use a preposition or an adverb with the verb see. Sentences with see may have an object or they may not. With an object, I see a dog in the garden. Without an object, he will come today. Just wait and see. In short, if you are talking about something that your eyes simply observe, you can use see. If you are directing your eyes at something, use look. And if you are paying attention to something like a game or television program for a period of time, use watch. Hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, then like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel as it is your own channel. Thanks. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.